Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to make a ClickBank account. First, navigate to the official ClickBank website. Once there, locate and click the Start Here or Sign Up button to begin your registration. You'll then have the option to go through a quick start guide, but you can simply choose to skip it and move straight to creating your account. This initial step is quick and easy, setting the foundation for your new venture. Next, you'll need to provide your personal details. Carefully enter your country, first name, last name, and a current phone number. It's crucial to use an active email address, as this will be your primary contact for ClickBank. Then, create a robust password. Remember, it needs to be strong, containing at least 2 lowercase letters, 2 uppercase letters, 2 numbers, and 2 special characters to ensure your account's security. After entering your personal information, you must review and accept ClickBank's client contract and terms. Take a moment to read through these important documents. Following this, complete your client profile by providing your full address and date of birth. You will also need to input your tax identification number, which can be your social security number or an employer identification number. This information is vital for ClickBank to correctly process any earnings you make. Finally, choose your account type. You can select affiliate if you plan to promote products, or vendor if you intend to sell your own. Then, create a unique account nickname. Remember, this cannot be altered later. You'll also need to confirm your email address by clicking a verification link. With your account set up, you are now ready to explore the vast ClickBank marketplace, discover products to promote, or begin setting up your own digital offerings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.